Welcome to my video. Today, we're going to take a look at the logging industry, from the giant machines to the cutting-edge technology. It's going to be an impressive and inspiring journey, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out on what's coming next. Let's get started. Welcome to Koala Chainsaw. Deep in the forest, skilled workers equipped with the Steel MS-462 chainsaw take on the challenge of felling towering trees. The roar of the chainsaw echoes through the woods as the blade bites into the dense timber. In a dangerous scenario, a fallen tree blocks the way. A skilled female worker, fully geared for safety, takes control. With precision and expertise, she slices through the massive trunk, ensuring a safe and efficient clearance. With careful calculation, a towering pine tree meets its final moment. The worker expertly maneuvers the chainsaw, ensuring a precise fall. As the tree crashes to the ground, it marks another successful harvest. In the heart of a modern wood processing facility, the brute force CS60 roars to life. Its powerful circular saw slices through massive logs with precision, reducing them into smaller, manageable pieces. Efficiency meets innovation in this high-tech lumber operation. At another station, the Binderberger Gigant 30Z takes over, splitting large logs effortlessly. This machine's sheer power transforms massive trunks into refined pieces, making wood processing faster and more efficient. The Komatsu 951 and Komatsu 895 dominate the forest, harvesting timber with robotic precision. Their hydraulic arms grip, cut, and process trees in a matter of seconds, making large-scale logging seamless and efficient. On the edge of a steep forested cliff, a forestry machine executes a delicate operation. Precision is key as it fells towering trees, ensuring safety and efficiency even in the most challenging terrains. Heavy-duty log skidders grind through the mud, hauling massive timber through rough terrain. Their power and endurance make them indispensable in the logging industry. damp, dense forest, the John Deere 959M feller buncher takes on the challenge. Its massive cutting head secures and slices trees with absolute precision, even in the harshest environments. Navigating through harsh and wet conditions, the Logset 6F proves its resilience. This powerful harvester grips and processes timber effortlessly, ensuring a steady supply even in the toughest terrains. The final transformation begins as logs enter a massive wood grinder. Within seconds, they are reduced to fine sawdust, ready for use in industries worldwide. A perfect example of efficiency and sustainability in modern forestry. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the synthetic timber industry today. From powerful machines to cutting-edge technology and passionate people. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to continue exploring this powerful world. See you in the next videos.